Hey guys, I had several of you ask about converting sewing machine pedal to a foot pedal. Alright, I've got a white 477. This is the knee pedal, okay? In order to use the knee pedal, you turn and you push it down like that. In order to use a foot pedal, see how it's attached to the foot pedal? Like that, okay? Without this, it's just a regular foot pedal. With this, it's a knee pedal, okay? This came on the machine. The only difference between your regular foot pedal and this type of pedal is one thing. Here's your plug-ins, okay? And this is your plug-in cord. It's plenty long. The only thing about this is this is all the length you've got between the machine and the foot pedal, okay? This wire, in order for it to reach the ground, has got to be longer. But what you would do, this wire comes in, and it's right here, and it's going to attach to right there. Here, unscrew this. This is going to slide out by a longer wire. Screw it back in here like that. So anyway, if you want to convert your knee pedal to a foot pedal, that's what you're going to have to do. So anyway, like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next video, guys.